Hi guys, Miggy Make It Go here with another video on how to. Today I'm going to be looking at changing the air filter or cleaning it in a Victor Vantage lawnmower. So here's my lawnmower, and as you can see the air filter is on the left hand side. So the first thing you do is just undo this large screw. Take care that you hold on to the washer as well. And once that is out, you can take the lid off the air filter. You'll see the air filter there, the foamy patch, and as you pull it out you will see that it's actually covered in oil. You want to remove the bottom as well, so that's what you should have left over. You then want to take the air filter into the laundry of your house. You can clean it with hot water and a very small amount of detergent. Just try and really thoroughly clean it, and then make sure that it's very, very dry before you attempt to put it back in. So when it is completely air dried, you then want to saturate it with a little bit of motor oil, whatever it is, the oil that's used in your particular lawnmower, and then put it back in using those same steps, and there you go. The thing is that while you've taken it out and you are cleaning it, you want to make sure that you put the container that is the air filter, or that metal bit with the screw, put that back onto the lawnmower so that the lawnmower is covered and there's not gunk and dust and stuff getting into where the air filter normally is. So make sure that you do cover the lawnmower, the hole that the air filter leaves, while you're off cleaning the air filter. The other thing is, it's quite important to make sure that you disconnect the spark plug before you do any work on your lawnmower. If you don't know where the spark plug is on your lawnmower, have a look. I may do another video on how to make sure your spark plug's clean and working on your lawnmower. That's all from me today, guys. I hope your lawnmower goes well. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if there's any other video you would like us to do next.